leaves in spring. My summer wine is really made from